Hello, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Is your favorite, your usual and everyday's instructor, a wolf. Welcome once again in this masterclass for the beginners with Python programming language. And today, guys, I'm so excited once again to be part of you and hold your hand and to take you into a world where you will feel home. Thank you and welcome back. So today, guys, we're going to talk about, let's first of all remind ourselves what we did in the previous lesson. In the previous lesson, as you can see on my screen right here, we talked about Python numbers. So, and in this class, we're going to talk about Python strings. So strings do with what? Words or characters. And without much ado, let's get started. So what are strings? So strings in Python are surrounded by either a single quote, quotation marks, or a double quotation marks. For example, if let's just delete all this. Let's delete all. Oh, just don't do that, bro. Just come back here in this introduction. And I wish I should create a new package. If you're new, let's just start by creating a new package here. Just click right here and come to the file and say that create a new package first of all, new project, and from there I can even write this create comes no. Just move this. Let's move this and say Python string, Py strings. Just have a package like that, Py string, and just hit create. Oh yeah, it's working. So creating a virtual environment as it continues to create a new environment. So I've already told you that strings are this character, and they are normally surrounded by quotation marks or a double quotation marks. So let's do it. So here I'm just going to click there and just create a Python file, and this Python file I'm just going to call it string. I don't know whether this is a keyword or it can bring any properties. Yeah, it's okay, it's cool. Clean work, clean day, and a very beautiful morning on my side. I don't know about your side. So to do this, we just click if we do a single quotation mark like that, and we put something in there and we say that hello Mr. Wolf, are you happy today? Or just leave it there. So if I do this is I've surrounded the hello Mr. Wolf with a single quotation mark, and this is a string. So it's the same thing to do, like it's the same thing, and I think we have talked about this the other day when we were trying. It's the same thing. We can say hello Mr. Oh, hello, why? Oh, the compiler has hello Mr. Wolf, you look happy today. You seem happy. Oh, just leave it there because we don't have much time. So it's the same thing to have a single quote or a double quote. So you can display a string literal with the print function, and we wanted to display this, just like print and print function, hit there, and we just so to print that, we just say we can put this inside, inside that, copy that, and hit there, just like that. Or you can have this. Okay, someone just wanted to disrupt me. Anyway, so you can also copy this and just like that, and we can copy our string above here with a single quote, just like that, and just put them in here, and we have it. So if we run this, and if we run this, let's run that. So you can see we have hello Mr. Wolf, hello Mr. Wolf. So that's how we do with a single quote or a double quote. So quotes inside quotes, you see. So you can use a quote inside a string as long as they don't match the quotes surrounding the string. So to do that, we just say quote inside the quote. So let's just change a little thing here. So we can have a single quote like this. You can add here something like it is, for example, it is, and then let's space there, and put a single quote here, just like that. And also we can have something like yeah, let's do this first. Let's do this. So you can have a single inside the clause as long as it's not the same. So we can have it's hello Mr. Wolf, and we can do this again. You can have a single quote over here, and put a single quote here, and a single quote here, just like that, and we can run it again. What do we have? We have it's hello Mr. Wolf. So what else? We can still remove this, and also remove this, remove everything actually, to do with quotes, and then we can leave along the string, just leave along the string. So Control Z, let's remove this one here, and now I want to surround it with a single quote, just like this, and a single quote like that. And now I just want to close this with a double quote, just like this, and you have them here, double quote, just like that. And let's print this and see what we have. Hit print, and it has put something. So you can see it's a hello Mr. Wolf. So that is a quote inside a quote. Let's assign string to a variable. So to assign a string to a variable is just you create a variable name and followed by the equal signs and the strings. So to assign is simple. We can assign like this. Let's delete this first of all. Oh, you want to continue down there. See, and then we get our code in the center. So A is equal to Wolf. And to assign this, you remember you have to put a double quote here, or a single quote is we have said that it's the same. Just cut this and put it here. So we can print this out. So this is assigning a string to a variable. So let's do A. Let's print this. Print what, brother? Print A. So if we print this, we should get the wolf on the console, just like that. So that's how you assign a string to a variable. Let's do a multi-line string. So you can assign multi-line string in a variable by using 3 quotes. So you can also use 3 double quotes. So to do this, we can do like, so these are multi-lines. So let's say, what should I say here? Three quotes. So I just want to assign this 3 quotes like that, and say, okay, this one is going to bring some problem now. It's working. So delete this. And what should we do? Let's say, can we copy text? Okay, let's say something. What do I write here? Hello world. I am Mr. Wolf. A comma. I don't understand why students have this. I don't understand why students have student mentality that coding in Python is complex. I really feel sad, and that is why I come out. This is very long story. So as you can see, guys, we can have multi-line strings, and we can put them in 3 quotes, and we have assigned this long string. Let me just cut this, cut just like that, and actually it's this here. It's cool now. So we can put that in a variable, and then we can print that on the console, just like that. Ooh, yeah, there's a bunch of lines down here. So that is it, guys. And we can also have a 3-quote line, just like a single quote, or a 3 single quote. This one is a 3 double quote, and this one now is a 3. This one is now a 3 single quote. So let's remove this. Yeah, and add a single quote just like that, and you should come back. Oh, actually, have a single quote there, and then remove this, and have one of it. Have one. Oh, okay, just doing this then, and copy one of those, cut them, and have that, and then do this, and then put them here. Wow, you have too many problems, but why? We should put 3 of them, just like that. And where's the last one? I think the last one was this. Put another one. And now we assign that long string into this, and we can run that. So guys, as you can see, we have used a double and a double quote, and we have also used a single quote in a 3 sub. Okay, one thing that you guys should have to note in the result that we have seen here, the lines breaks are inserted at the same position as in the code. So let's talk about strings. You know, strings are arrays, so we wanna know whether strings are arrays. Yeah, they are arrays because arrays is a group of so many things. So I just remove this first of all. So like many other popular programming languages, strings in Python are always an arrays of bytes representing a Unicode character. However, you should know that Python does not have a character data type, and a single character is simply a single character, and it's simply a string with a length of 1. So a single character is just simply a length of 1 as a length of 1. So square bracket can be used to access element of a strings. To do that, let's do it. So one thing that before we do that, you have to remember that the character at position 1, you have to remember that the first character has a position of 0. For example, if I say put my double quote here, not 3 now because that was so long. So if I say hello wolf, just like this, and then we want to know whether these strings are arrays. So hello wolf, just put a comma there, and then I print A, and we put this square bracket. They're called square bracket. This one is called square bracket. Not those are curly brackets. I want a square bracket. Yeah, this one. And then I put let's say position 1. So we want to know that whether strings are arrays. Let's run this. Oh, as you can see on the console here, we have E, and we placed here 1. Why not H? So we have said that position 0, if we say position 0 here, we're going to get H. So these are arrays, so we are going to print these as arrays. So if I run that again, I'm going to get H there. You see? Yeah, you can see there. So let's look through these strings of arrays. So arrays are a group of data that arrays must be a group of strings, numbers. We can call those data or characters. So arrays, let's assume it's a container that has got something inside, and that something is not 1, 2, but there are more than 1. Those are arrays. So let's try to look through these strings. Since we have said that strings are array, we can look through the character in string with a for loop. So don't worry about this looping. We will talk about loops later, but for now, let's loop and see how that works. So I can come down here. Yeah, just come over here, and I use for loop. And if you are familiar with Java, we have been using for loop so many times. So to use this for loop, we just say that for, let's say, something that we don't know. For this, let's name this variable x for x in let's say A. We can go through them all. Actually, I don't know whether this can work. Let me just try, because I have not tested it yet. Why are you giving me this? Why are you giving me? Oh, indentation, guys. There. So let me see if we can get all these strings. Let's find out. Yeah, it's oh here I just specified. Just remove this. Just put it here and run it again. I hope it did print all the strings. Hello wolf, hello wolf, hello wolf. Let's do a better one. Let's say don't create a variable first. Let's, since I come from KC, let's want to do something the KC people do. So just put a banana here, a banana, just like that, and then I print X here now. So we want to see the characters in this banana name string. Now accordingly, you're not saying that this is a name, but this is banana is just a string. string is made up of characters. So we wanted to loop through them. We're using a for loop. That is a loop that goes from index 1, index 0, 1 and above, and until it finishes everything that is in there. So let's run this and see whether we have. So for x in this, let's print all these characters. There we go, we have them. So we have BA. Oh, here we have them, as you can see here. We have them here. Yeah, we have printed them, all of them, in the console. So we will learn more about loops in our Python for loop classes, which is now, we'll do it in a few weeks probably, or a few days. We will be talking about loops. For now, just ignore this. We just wanted to check whether characters are arrays, strings are arrays. It's simply like that. So let's talk about strings length. So we might want to know how long is this banana. So we will talk about length. So to get the length of a string, we use the length function to get it. So in this one, we're going simply to say, so the length function is going to give us the length of the string. So to do this, we will just assign this banana to a variable. Let's create a variable and call it f, and remove this first of all, and let's print f, and maybe the indentation here is the program. Just move ahead and do it just like that. And to do this, we just say use the method length. It's there, and put our variable in there, just like that. And why are you complaining then? You should not complain. You should not complain. So print, maybe it's about the space. You should not complain. I just want to identify this one. Yeah. Okay. Do you have this one? Do you have a problem? Let's run this. Yeah, there we go. So we have our length at 6. So let's find out whether we have 6 characters. This is 0, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the length of these strings is 6. So let's check the string. So to check if a certain phrase or a character is present in a string, we can use the keyword in. So check if. So let's create a string here and say that in most families at PC do eat banana every morning. And now I just wanted to check whether the key PC is in the string, is present in the following statement, or whatever I can call it, or I just wanted to check if the word PC is in this sentence. So to do this, we just come here and say that first of all we want to specify the keyword that you want to use, and the keyword that I want to use is this one, and put them in here, and then I say I use this keyword again, this keyword in F, just like that. So why are you complaining again? You shouldn't complain. Okay, I can indent this a little bit, just like that. And probably, I don't know, just run this. Just run this. I think it's very is the problem. Print this a indentation error, expected indentation. Okay, you have a problem with indentation, right? Oh, okay, let's run this. There we go. So I found that the print function has told me true. The TC word is in. We can check even it or banana. We have banana in there. Or what if we don't have it? Let's say banana. Run it again. And as you can see, it's saying true, banana is there. Let's do something which is not there. Let's say orange. It should say false. Yeah, it's false. So we can use this to check whether a certain keyword that we use is there, and we must use the in keyword also to check in that statement, in that text. We can say that this is a text. So you can say text. So in this text we can check for a specific word, and also we can use it in if statement. So we can use an if statement to do something else. So we print if a banana is present. You can say like this. No, just don't Control Z. I just want to space this, and just cover that. And I just wanted to use if. Let's say if banana is in a text, please print out. Yes, buddy. You can put this in. Yes, and we should indent this like this. So we can say yes. If there is a banana in that text, just say yes, and put a comma there, and we can put a single quote here, and say yes, banana is present. So let's run this. There you can see it's saying yes, banana is present. And if it's not there, this one simply to say yes, banana is not there. So we'll learn more about if statement in the next lessons, and we will have to understand about we will understand the if statements, and that is it, and the for loop, as I told you. As of now, yes, we were using to check some arrays because we're talking about arrays. So let's check if not. So to check if a certain phrase or a character is not present in a string, we can use the keyword not in. So the keyword is not in. So to do that, let's say that if banana is expensive. So let's say yes. We can use the same stuff and say that. Okay, let me just be simple. This segment is 2. Is 2. So I just want to say the best thing in life are free, just like my courses, just like my Python lesson. Just forget about that. Just say those things in life are free. So I just wanted to check whether the word let me replace it. Let's delete this first of all. Then print. Let's say print. I just want to check. Let's say expensive. Expensive. Just like that. And we should edit this. Oh, just click the indentation to go back. Just like that. Okay, in that text, I just wanted to check expensive not in, to check whether it's not in text, just like that. So I just wanted to check whether the word expensive is not in this statement. Just run this. Yeah, as you can see, it's saying true. So there's no such a word in our text which is expensive. That's how we check whether in that array of string, that string array, some keywords are not there or some characters are not there. So we can also use if statement here and say that if expensive, let's copy this, control copy, and say if expensive not in text, just say print no expensive, just say no expensive keyword here. I can sound it with a single quote here now. Expensive is not in the text, so just delete this. Expensive keyword is not present, just like this. And probably I should indent this and press 1. So as you can see, guys, no expensive is not present. So that's all about string, and let's talk about string slicing. So how are we going to slice a string? You gotta check what I'm going to do online. Okay, to slice a string, you can return a range of characters by using a slice syntax. So what are these slice syntax? So we have to specify the start index and then we end with index. So, and we have to separate it by a colon to return a part of the strings. So to get started, get the character from a position, let's say 2 to a position 5. Not included though. So I just want to change this text. So I change this text and then this. Now we are working with slicing the string. Slicing, we have to remove a certain part from that text. We can say hello wolf, and we can print this, and we can get our print function back there. It's called this X. So we want to slice some part. So let's bring this X here, and we must put this curly bracket over here. Now this is square bracket, and we want to slice from position 2 to 5. So let's see what we have. So we sliced and we left with hello LL just like that. So we sliced from position. Actually, this is 1, 2, 3. Actually, it starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this space here. And also, this one is 1, 2. So this first number specify for this, specify this one, and we have to count 1, 2, and then this one is sliced, it's removed, and then we were left with LLL. And again, this one we started 5 positions, so it's 1. We have to start from this far end. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this space. So we were left with, there's a space here that we can see this space over here. So that is it. So what we have to know is that the first character has index 0. This one here. So it's index 0, 1, 2. So this 2 is not included. That's what I meant by saying these positions are not included. So we have to start 0, 1, 2. So this one is not included. So it will print this. Hope you understand that simple values. I don't know if it's simple. So let's start slicing from the start. So by leaving out the start index, the range will start at the first character. So let's get the character from the start position 5, and we have said it's not included. So if we do this, if we come here, say X, and remove this, just like that, and we run this, what do we get? This is slicing words. So you can see when I put this, this is called full word. Semicolon? No, this is called colon, full colon. I think so. I'm not sure. So as you can see, we got hello world, hello, and then the wolf is not there because now 0 is here. Yeah, you can understand this, guys. So we were left, we just chopped, we just like the whole word. We started from index 0 here, and then 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3. So it started somewhere here, and it chopped everything. So it sliced everything. So let's slice to the end. So by leaving out the end index, yes, yeah, this one, the range will go to the end. So to do that, let's get the character from position 2. So I've already told you that position 1 is 0. That's where it starts to count. And now here we are going to get the character from position 2 and all the way to the end. So to get all the way to the end, we just want to start from position 2 here, and then we get it all to the end. So we should not, this is 1, 2, it should actually start from here because this is not enough. Then we get them throughout the end. Let's see. So you can see it is LLLO, and then we got all the rest. So let's again start with the negative indexing. So we use negative index to start this slice from the end of the string here, from the end of the string. So to do that, let's get the characters from, let's say, O in a world, and then actually let me just change this. It's okay, it's just okay. And then position 5, so but okay, that's okay. And you have to know that F in the wolf will not be included. So that's position -2. So let's do it. Let's do a negative number 5, and then we start and -2. This is a negative number. Let's see, because this this is 5, so it will start from somewhere here, and -2, and then so it will start from probably have this. Yeah, we will have this. Oh, we had a wolf on. Okay, actually the number is 5, right? 0, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is negative, so it is that from here, and then this also 1, 2, so it will just have this. So all this will be chopped, and this will be chopped. We will have this. That's why we have this. So that is it. That's all about sizing a string. Let's see on how to modify a string. So to modify a string, so let's see. Let's modify it. So to modify a string, wait a minute. So Python has a set of inbuilt methods that we can use on strings. For example, we wanted to modify a string, right? Let's modify, let's say, a certain word. For example, this capital letter. You can just change it to small letter. We can also change this. We can leave those aside. So let's use a function which is called upper. This method returns the strings in uppercase. For example, if we had a wolf written in only small letter, just like this, then this small this. And we want to change them into upper characters. How do we do that? We just put X here, and then that method is going to, you can see a couple of methods here. There are a couple of let's this. Actually, it's what we have seen, which is going to change our string into only this upper. Or this one actually checks whether the words are. This will return false. But for now, just change the characters. Let's see that. We're going to change the wolf into only capital letters. So as you can see, we have the whole word as capital letter. And also to change into our lower cases, let's change. You see, let's change this wolf into capital letter, or we can actually mix. Now let's the wolf in capital letter and change our method to lower. Like that, and run it again, and as you can see, we have the wolf in small letters. So another thing we can do is to remove a white space. For example, I can say the wolf is the wolf is cool. So to remove the white space, so one thing you have to know is these are such spaces. So one thing you have to know is that the white spaces before and or after the actual text, and every often we want to remove this space. So how do we do that? We use a method called strip. So this strip method removes any white space from the beginning of the all the end. So we can have these spaces here. So this strip, this remove the space from the start or the end. So that's why we have created a space here. Let's just have it. And we say x dot strip. Just like this. We're talking about arrays of strings, and in that arrays we have a couple of methods. You can see we are using them like upper, changing, stripping. Now let's see what this stripping does. Actually, this one This stripping will just strip this white space, and also this is this white space. This is the keyword. You can even see this black space here, all blank space. So let's run this, and as you can see, we don't have space here. We don't have space there at all. Oh, let's see how now we replace a string. So to replace that string, we use a method called replace. So this one is going to replace a string with another string. So to do that, we just want to change this. We wanna change this. Which one do I use? Let me find out the keyword. Let me say and each button is actually there's no space now. So to replace what? Let's replace this H with Y. Let's replace that. So we just delete this. Okay, my recording. This is recording. So we use this keyword here. It's called that's replace. It's just there, and we want to replace H character with Y, just like that. So let's see if it works. Yeah, there we have. So it's a yellow world. So we have used that method, and also let's use another one which is called split strings. So we use the split method to return a list where the text between the specified separator becomes a list item. So let's do it. And one thing you have to notice that this method splits a string into a substrings if it finds the instance of that separator. So to do that, let's split this. Actually, this edge was all the now this. Oh, thanks for this Python. It's really intelligent. So split. So it has something inside. So split. This. And we want to split what? Character with a comma. You see. Oh, this actually return. You know how to comment this. You can say that this is going to return something like it's going to return going to say hello, comma, and it's going to hello world. So it's going to split like that. So because we have this, it's going to split like this. So it's going to have this. Let's run and see. Oh, there's a problem somewhere. Where is that? Oh, I had this. So let's run this. So as you can see, we have splitted this word into actually place this comma here and just run it again. So as you can see, guys, we have splitted the word into hello world with this single word now. So that's all about splitting, and we will talk about we will talk about Python list chapter in later classes. So string methods, we will also learn about string methods in the coming classes. And let's talk about the classes. So guys, we will in the next class we will talk about how we can concatenate strings, and we will talk about formatting a string, how to escape a string, how string methods work, and and you do a little bit of exercise, and we will be doing away with Python strings. As of today, we have talked about 3 things: Python strings, sizing the strings, and we have seen about to modify a string. I didn't want the class to go to 15 minutes, that's too long. So thank you so much for being here today, joining the class. And guys, please, just if you like this, make sure you subscribe and you hit the like button. And goodbye. It's the Wolf once again. Goodbye.